One of the coaches my wife done made up. Anyway, welcome to Big Boys Life. You know what I mean? Just trying to start a new channel, do some shit, show what I do on a day-to-day basis, or at least in my spare time, because I work all day. Today I'm gonna be installing one of these Traxxas performance racing tires. They're supposed to give you some traction, but I'm not 100% sure. But that's what I heard from watching YouTube. So hopefully they give me some traction, but I don't know. But I'm gonna find out. So anyway, like I said, welcome to Big Boys Life. I'm new to this RC world stuff, y'all. So bear with me. I don't know much. This is my first over 50 miles per hour car. This was my very first car. This is brushed. So, you know, they don't do but like 25, 30. This is my first Traxxas Slash. Then I got this from my wife. This is the Bandit DXL. This one does 70 plus. And as you can see, I done burnt the wheels off of that thing. It's time for some new tires. So, when I find them in stock, I will get them. As you can see, I got these from Horizon Hobby, but I do shop at A-Main, I do shop at Traxxas. I shop at anybody that got something in stock. So, wherever it's in stock, that's where I'm ordered. I do got a local hobby shop here in Austin that I go to called Hobby Town USA. That's who I go to learn a little bit. I have joined a little group here in Austin called 512. What is it? 512? No prep? Something. I don't know. But we're on Facebook. Check us out. Look it up. So, I'm going to start with this little handy-dandy pack. You know what I'm saying? They come with every Traxxas, pretty much. You can grab some scissors. I hope my wife don't mind me using these scissors right here. She behind the camera right now telling me, no. Listen, it ain't going to hurt nothing. I put them right here so they can get clean. Y'all probably asking why I'm in the kitchen. Yeah, it's just the biggest part of something I got to sit something on. So, I gotta use this old wrench right here. Like a 4-way for, you know what I'm saying, RCs. I know most of y'all already know this stuff. But like I said, I'm new to this stuff, so it's all new to me. I'm learning. This will be my first time ever taking the wheels off of my car. So here we go. See if I can get this done.
Few moments later.
Alright, so this is what we do. I mean, I'm assuming. Like I said, I ain't never did this before. So you take this little hex. This big side is the one, I believe it's a 12. I'm not 100% sure. But this big side is the one you use. And you know what I'm saying? Just take each one off. Whoa, flipped over on me. Take each one off. I'm gonna keep these little caps, what you call them? Bolts, I don't know. Whatever. Caps, hit, bolt, whatever. And we're gonna do that to all four of them, and I'll be right back. Hold tight.
346 minutes later.
Alright. Finally down to the last two. The last couple turns on this last one. But I got them all the way off. And this is the last one. Trying to keep from losing. I think the drink got me a little hot. There you go. Now let's see if this thing is gonna fit. I like these bags because they resealable. So you can put your tires back in them. They're resealable though. Pretty cool, like a Ziploc bag. I like that. Anyway, like I said, the Traxxas Performance Racing Tire. Look at that tread. It looks like a real tire. And they already glued and put the foam on the inside, so you don't have to do that with these. And they do only come two to the tire. They're both rear tires, but I'm gonna put them both on and use them in front and rear, you know, because I don't really care. I just want to see what's gonna happen. So to put them back on, as you can see, I'm sure y'all already know, but there's a little hex that matches the inside. That's why you have to make sure you buy the right tire and wheel. So we match those up. Once you get it on there, put your bolt, whatever thing you back on. Man, this thing already look good. Golly. It already look good. Let y'all see my little screw in. You know what I'm saying? This thing look good on here, man. Listen. Golly. And I'm gonna eventually do some more upgrades. My goal is to turn this into a dragster. Because the group I done joined, they're a drag racing group, but they only run 2S and I run 3S on this. I do have a 2S from the Bandit because I didn't want my wife to be driving 70 plus. I put that 3S in and that's why those tires are gone. So I do have a 2S to run with them, but I like running 3S because it's like pretty fast. I ran somebody with a drag car with this, and it was on, I had my 3S and he had his on 2S, but like I said, he's tuned. He got a slick in the back, and he know more than me. I might input that video in here too, just so y'all can check it out. So golly, that thing was good just with that one time. But anyway, I'm not gonna bore y'all and make y'all watch me put this all four of them on. So I'm gonna sip on this here Crown a little more, and I'm gonna put my other 3 on, and I'll be right back.
Much later.
Alright, man. Damn, got the last one bolted up. Listen, I don't know what it is, but for y'all who know about this stuff, who know like more than me, one, I want to know why my car sound like this. You hear this? Is it supposed to sound like that? I don't know. And then my rear wheels, I always been wondering, why do they look like they're turned in a little bit? Like the grip like this, look like it's turned in. I don't know. If y'all know, comment down below, let me know what I need to do. I can't wait to drive this thing, man, so I can see if it's really gonna give me some traction. Top back on. Take me a sip. 'Cause I love that good drink. Show them a little collection, babe. That's just what's on the bar. I got a few more under the cabinet because everything ain't gonna fit. Sometimes you just need a little drink break, you know? That's all it is. So, I'm gonna give y'all the next video is gonna be me driving this thing, man. So I can see if it's really some traction to these things, man. They look good. I can't lie. They look good. I do got some more tires similar to these. That's by the same, you know what I'm saying, just tracks, whatever. But they a lot better than this shit. But these right here, this shit look good, man. That shit look good. Look how that damn thing sit. Golly. Oh, now y'all see my bro dozer. I mean, bro Camino, bro dozer in the hoodie. I got it in the hoodie. I be trying to support some of the people I watch on YouTube and on TV. Got a few others. But anyway, this is my Traxxas Slash VXL 4x4, man. I can't wait to drive this thing, man. Like I said, I got some old off-road tires, man. I'll be installing them on another video. I don't really know when. But make sure y'all check the video out. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all know I'm back. It's kind of turned in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, check me out. Comment down below, like I said. About my thing. Oh, this is my these are brothers. Y'all see them rocking everything. I got some other stuff I gotta put on here from my little crew. The 512 no prep, whatever it's called. And I don't have to figure their name out. So y'all can follow us on Facebook, you know what I'm saying? Join our little crew. 512 no prep, something. I don't know the real name of it. I can't remember it. Because I don't really get on Facebook. But subscribe to my channel, man. Big Boys Lyfe. Like if you like this video. If not, hey, tell somebody else to tell somebody else. You know what I'm saying? Like my boy Stitch by Slick say, tell your manners, tell your aunties, tell your cousin. Look at my video, man. I'm gonna bring y'all a shoe collection video next. Maybe 2 or 3, maybe 4 pairs of my favorite pairs. I don't know. And shit, get at me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna sip this drink.